Hey, good looking, what's cooking? That's stupid. Hi guys, it's Jazz, and if you are new to my channel, you are my new friend. Hi, welcome. I'm a 25-year-old grown-ass woman, and I've worn fake eyelashes once in my entire life. I think I was in like 3rd grade or 5th grade or something like that, and it was for a costume, and I didn't even put them on myself. My mom had to do it for me. So I've never applied fake eyelashes to myself or anybody before. So this is gonna be a great video. You're gonna watch me fail so hard. I don't know anything about makeup, really. I don't really wear makeup. There are like a few occasions where I'm going out and I'm like, I'm gonna look fancy today. And I'll literally put on like eyeshadow, barely, and like maybe highlighter incorrectly. If I'm out and about, it's usually just mascara and like Vaseline on the eyelid and sometimes something on the lips. I also have this baby and you can't really see her, but that's okay. You can see her when I go like this, which is really cool. I'm like hypnotized. This is a selenite tower, and I have been wanting one for a while. And selenite is supposed to help with like negative energy, which is what we're desperately gonna need today. Let's get started. Again, I have no idea what I'm doing. Then I also heard that you're supposed to like brush out the eyelashes with like a spoolie brush to like make them look more full. Alrighty guys, so are you ready to watch me fail? Because I'm pretty excited to fail on camera. I feel like failing is like the one talent that I have other than licking my elbow. So, like I said, I've just got my little spoolie here, and I guess you just kind of want to like aggravate the eyelashes. Is that what it's called? Where you just kind of like, please tell me, am I ruining them if I do this? I really don't know. But here we are, doing things the hard way, like always. I'm just gonna get started now. You're supposed to like cut the eyelash to fit your lash line. We're not gonna do that today. If they go off the edge a little bit, who cares? I have my eyelash here. And I think you're supposed to like put the lash glue on your hand first. Shoot. I don't know what I'm doing. Can you see it? Like, is that too much glue? Oh my God. It says wait 30 seconds for it to become slightly clear and tacky. Oh, it's becoming clear. It's happening. Something's happening. Okay, cool. Whatever happens, happens. Ooh, can we maybe? Ah! I don't know what I'm doing. It's so much glue. Did I do it wrong? Did I do it right? What's happening? Oh, who is she? Okay. A little bit. Okay, that's, I feel like that's good enough. It's like, I can't see anything. This is my eyelash. I can't open my eye all the way. And I have glue everywhere on the lid. It kind of burns a little bit too. I don't think that's a good thing. I don't think that's supposed to happen. Did I do it? I feel like this one turned out a little bit better, but also worse. I'm not mad at them. I'm just slightly angry. This one I feel like didn't turn out too bad. This one though, we're gonna have to have a talk with this one, because look at, do you see this? Do you see the difference? Did I fail? I don't know. Tell me if I failed in the comments below. I'm gonna go peel these off of my face and then go lay in my bed crying in pain. Alrighty guys, so that was kind of fun. I've been wanting to do this for a while, and I'm glad that you came on this journey with me to put on fake eyelashes for the first time in my 25 years of existence. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna go, but before I do, make sure you subscribe to my channel. The subscription button is down below. Also, if you would like to follow me on Instagram, my handle name is @gjunejasmine. I will put whatever your heart desires in the description box below. Now we're gonna take them off, and I think I literally just have to like pull them off of my face, which is terrifying. Yeah, these are the eyelashes, by the way. Right? Ow! Oh, actually, it's not that bad. I was expecting it to be a lot worse. Ow, there we go. Wow, look at the before and after though. Alrighty, Kay. I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye, thanks. Ow, Jesus Christ.